nearly a year and a half of war, and our last chief, Joseph Chatier, who was defeated, who was murdered on March 14, 1797, we started to surrender, because after fighting for nearly a year, we have taken a toll. Nearly half our people were already dead, our land was stolen. But at the end of the day, the Europeans, along with the Americans, were able to, defeat us. Basically, between October 1797 and March 1797, an estimated 38,000 to 5,200. At that time, they referred to us again as Black Caribs. So I'm going to go by the historical. It would refer to Black Caribs when I'm talking about Caribs. An estimated 4,338 to 5,200 Black Caribs were captured and imprisoned on a barren island known as Belize. The exact number of captured, tortured, and imprisoned Garifuna varies according to the different sources. According to the records, around 2,400 Black Caribs died of rare disease, including yellow fever on Belize. According to our oral tradition from our ancestors, is that the British Empire did not intend for us to survive. Because when Garifuna people were captured, we were charged with treason against the British Crown. And the sentence to that is, anybody know? Yeah. We were charged with treason against the British Crown.